Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your speaker EDIFIER MS50A with your Android device. You have to start by open Settings and then go to Connected Devices or Bluetooth. At the top click Pair New Device, and now at the bottom we have charging port. So you need to use a cable that you receive in the package and connect your speaker to the power. Here we go. And now it automatically turns on, and make sure that the LED light on the front side blinking white and blue, because if it's blinking only white, you need to tap one time at these three dots icon to just swap a mode. As you can see,
instructions in your device's companion app.
As you can see, I just changed it, so you need to do the same. Yeah, and now it's blinking white and blue. So we will see this speaker as the device list, tap on it, and then click Pair. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!